Abusiam wakwa badiba Island Media Ghana. Senende di kanya wo hwe na meso so be subscribe to your YouTube channel no. No wa like no wa share no wa comment. Tene ba da ne da no ye de video ba ana nsema okoso Ghana na ye drop ya on the first person a obinya bi na wa hwe no wate no hu ne ekoso. O comment ne so ye de pemre na ya kan e de amount kama. Ghana yeshe beef bi koso hwan beef a ya Abronye. Eye Archbishop Duncan-Williams pass comment bi wona so de motama wo preach na okaka asemfa eye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say owo good intention mo man no intiyamo mpa mo man president no wontumi mfa ne mapa emro man say de baby bia epese sinani ma na say hindrances bia no na ngko betu na yefro ma akuduro ma na tumi akonkoden e de amo man eno na Abronye DC etie no say hey one the mounts are quite sitting and once of them will get answer. And you was Swissy Papa you saw, son or pa a real number, what other trap your duty saying, I just ought to be money papaya. Then on MPP for what some say Debbie, and Zama I Abronye DC at any station a friend on your TV on here. TV so ekekano omuni ho hwe ntia na so mo issue statement e de ababon tin say ene new patriotic party headquarters omleta omede bae emi. New Patriotic Party disassociate itself from the comments made by Bono Regional Chairman against Archbishop Duncan-Williams on Ohia TV. The attention of the National Secretariat of the New Patriotic Party (NPP) has been drawn to public commentary made by the Bono Regional Chairman of the party, Mr. Kwame Bafo, alias Abronye DC, in which he made some unfortunate and unprovoked remarks about the internationally revered Archbishop Duncan-Williams during a recent media engagement. Let alone so na ewo screen so no we hwa so a wa betuma hu ne yakọ no wakenkan nti eno na Abronye asabetiesi ono na MPP fo no so no se he ma menganjira mo 8 years amoba aye no microphone kra mo ntumi antobi na ma bekasa aba studio hwe NDC wo ho no mi se ne all media houses are Ghana nyina so mu no mu nya adwuma mo kwan mo station so ma me kasa o man kasa na bio mu studio a ya friend no NDC 360 a o betuma kasa tena so ayo mu program eno mo ko ba bio mo go high machines emfa go ye program mo ngasa krom mo machines a o mo dio mu program enti MPP mo ba 8 years no man tuma nto microphone ma be kasa ba afa studio ho enti o mo ko ma no ntum se ne o ko ma MPP na se MPP atumi issue statement and arbitral letter fan ho say omu disassociate omu self free no ho ono mfa ho adwuma na de so obeye na no obeye no ka mo mate ase say ohia TV no enye MPP for dia ohia TV enye MPP for dia ayi wono ani sika ena odi abuild ni studio enti MPP for ntron letter bia ma bonti so mu yehufuo na so mutumi nkasa omu nkoma no ntum no mo ntena ho asa meka Abronye ensem e dia ma no yenko tie ensem a wono so atoto amane eye MPP for
continue mentie ne na entie ne kyena na matie na de kye continue na MPP for muntie na muntie ne yie sai yatikru oman mu ha no Duncan-Williams onye the head of the Christian community MPP for muntie na muntie ne yie na ye pe obi mana ye head of the Christian community in Ghana. Duncan-Williams doesn't qualify to be the head of the Christian community in Ghana. And MPP for someone Santias, yes, a money microphone. MPP 8 years microphone Kraman to man Toby. NDC MPP leadership no, it's a shame. MPP 8 years microphone Kraman to man Toby. But munim NDC omo ye national program omo hand system. They have their own machine omo ko han NDC. That is how the NDC obia hu omo so omo a serious political party. NDC nye program hey at the chair MPP by national conference omo ko high machines. NDC high machines. NDC was studio we be mimi studio we be NDC will be omo friend NDC 360 and it say NDC na so omunya baby radio station reject omu even their own members radio stations are more opportunity and this nankasa set it up NDC 360 eshedanum nti anytime bia NDC pesa omo kasa no obi ya na ekọ MPP microphone kura mu ni bi ati me mamati ase say the leadership no montie ni na nwumre say sa ohia TV we na nya MPP dia o na mo microphone kura mu ni bi no ma bia studio but NDC was studio. That should be a shame on the part of the party leadership. NDC was studio. A big studio like this. Maybe studio no and ya pompochua you. And ya pompochua ura akra kondo. Ya have fine. He asked me sana me ya madia me ya dia me ya gu animase. Ya no fine. Ura say yes, a higher fine place. Eti microphone kra monto bi da. Na maba trace statement say ohia TV ya MPP dia. Ohia TV can never and will never be MPP station. Yes, me di ba ya aduma ma MPP ba nya MPP station ya. Eti me kan Duncan-Williams asem na se moko issue statement say na MPP na kan. You are getting it wrong. You doesn't own even a microphone to even talk about the studio. MPP me mamati ase na leadership no microphone cry, you doesn't own a microphone to talk about studio.
Continue.
You have no right to issue a disclaimer. I find me program me yawa how. You have no right.
Continue.
Money locals, money any mandate.
Continue.
I will continue to engage Duncan-Williams until so be ban right senses.
Continue.
That is a fact. And nobody
Continue.
enter and let me chase you from here no. Nearly kind. Duncan-Williams, only the head of the Christian community and unqualified.
Continue.
Because say head of Pentecost, I say yes say yempe obi obey head of the Christian community in Ghana. To send you Muslim yawo Sheikh Sarabutua or the head of the Muslim community. Uba in the Christian community. You probably man head the Christian community and nipa unqualified. And I can say for a fact to say all pastors every cry what Ghana have qualified, but Duncan-Williams doesn't qualify. It's a fact.
Continue.
Duncan-Williams, I thought for what Ghana Ninano, or you qualify so on by the head of Christian community, but Duncan-Williams, with the exception of Duncan-Williams unqualified. Na Church of Pentecost head they were I had the Okofa Duncan-Williams so my head of the Christian community. Methodist Bishop, the general overseer of the Methodist Church of Ghana, also Duncan-Williams, and I'm more recognized or no yet the head of the Christian community on what capacity? Baptist Church leadership also Duncan-Williams. Roman Catholic Church Archbishop of Noma and I said Duncan-Williams am I head of Christian community said Yabenti Presbyterian Church of Ghana moderator Mose Duncan-Williams am I the head of Christian community a revered pastor him I am saying, say, such churches ya mabubo munyina de omubu omo wo munyi sika enkodi politics ya ti basa wo munyi sika enkodi party bia ti nkase party we dia mempe party nasem wo mudi all the political parties say president moderator Pentecost ayi NDC for na baba wade omo fefefe Methodist of panyini and ayi NDC for MPP for na baba wade omo fefefe Pentecost the head of the Pentecost NDC na baba wade omo fefefe Anglican the general overseer of the Anglican Church of Ghana, NDC, MPP, CPP, and the Baba, Wajo Fair. The one-man church is of Wokroma, 99.9% politicians be a babiano, Wamojo Fair. One quad the way you say. You hate the new patriotic party and MPP for sure so mbeka. Almost raw monquai, na me farm home. Woman sure so mbeka. MPP forget it. Me mpese obi be ma me backdoor message say ye nim sa de na oye no enye ukwana odi MPP faso no enye na momo ye de koka. Stay away na me menka. Me mfa adwuma mre MPP for. Se wo suro ni sa obebom pa ye akunwa. Me nsura da kamuda. So much say more and nay, no ma send them a WhatsApp message. Dear Duncan-Williams, say any dear, himself on pay MPP for them, but I have any day. Oh, because you are attacking the church. At the place before I catch them, Abronye attack him. Or you 1 man person, what in a sorry Jessica dear. Or you 1 man person, what in a sorry Jessica dear. There were 1 man churches who Ghana how omun ye my papa edeboa a omun time political party be omun yi wo mani enye say yen time political party be some people for omun yara yire free a musro samo beka 2023 immediately after the flag bearer elections no ono ene ko tweet ye ono ne ko potu o Facebook say Enti Ghana, ye ba benya Muslim president ya na. Duncan-Williams did that. And no free as ye frefra manfo. Mama yen sorry. A Muslim cannot be a leader in this country. And ne yenya MPP for binum asef for binum to fall for him because also be a complicit. And to one first statement, you're complicit. You're complicit. Pooh. Aye Duncan-Williams. More MPP for Mugu Kroma. Mosara Musra se Mosani Yara Yirefre. Aye Duncan-Williams in the static Ghana has said. And to a mind Ghana. You bet manya Muslim president ya na. And no stati ye. Then let's see how it goes. No of refre, no the apport to a mutim, no catch them this for no say Muko radio swa inside the Christianity against the Muslim community. Ma won't say any dosso. And no frasi ya peke 1 or 2 pastors binum and no more the agenda no at the coy. And Duncan-Williams started that. And people for you know. Now oh Fred the water waba catch them and say, oh kwa sorrow 30 years. What sorry 30 years or Duncan-Williams and so what? Man, so Martina prayed we are so more than 30 years. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Me Martina prayed we are sorry them more than 30 years. Would you know yana so me so Martina more than 30 years? And to what Duncan-Williams sorry them more Fred or worry. What Duncan-Williams sorry down 30 years here. 2023-2024. All started beside diabolic question say. And to Ghana, ye babe nya Muslim president ya na no what didn't tell say. No what didn't tell so ye campaign munyin friso. Munyin friso. Na mo didn't tell mo said Duncan-Williams. Babe ye campaign mama na somebody who started MPP for. Namu andisi fo ne andisi fo awura mu ano ene mo twere sa state so mo tifie ho bo se yanyom mo fi se mo ya Abronye na the time ne be ba mo be kasa Abronye sori o mo be ba na mada se kum me ho atom se fam na me se awurade wadi masem mama me emre bi be ba mo be kasa Abronye sori o that time no na fe na me mpa ye ready na makoda so boko na makatire mse mon kokomokun enekun a me kun ide me kun me stop a obi baka se misro Duncan-Williams me misro Duncan-Williams for what me ne Anglican konkokun because Anglican for nya me hwe me ne Methodist for konkokun because Methodist for nya me hwe Menim I Baptist church for nkwankoko because omunye mehwe. Mene Pentecost for nkwankoko because Pentecost for nye mehwe. Mene Yehowa for nkwankoko because Yehowa for nye mehwe. I am talking about Duncan-Williams as in person say ne ya oyo okrom ha no eye niam bone as say katere no.
Continue.
Niam bone as say katere no say da bia no ne nyame dwuma no odi nyame akata na ni na odi sika ti eye niam afon me ne ayi Anglican fo ni asem. Many Presbyterian ni asem, many one man individuals here, wamwati o masoda apeja okroma omu ye nyame adwuma no, me no omu ni asem. And men kasa ntia omu, men kasa so ntia omu because sankrofo no omu nye atwem.
Continue.
Individual churches men kasa ntia omu, but I will speak against that of Duncan-Williams. Menena sorba ni asem se wo ya sorba na se o se ya ka Duncan-Williams se ho na okwa asore te se Fred Oware kan ye na fa ba waso and Fred Oware wona na wo frefre party leadership say they should take action wo fra me ka tro say ye bogus call ye bogus take action to against who oh take action tia na me tro me so action. Ana monim nipa mo ne diri no monim nipa mo ne diri no o ma mo frafra mo no mo take me fa action ho ben action na ha me MPP action against me no asesa me my brabo MPP action against me asesa me my brabo and they cannot stop me. Me say Duncan-Williams dem ni wo issue because you're a hypocrite. Many Yehowa ni nkwankoko, many Anglican ni nkwankoko, many Pentecost ni nkwankoko, many Methodist ni asem, churches ya ba bebrebe nyina no, men koka many omo asofofuo ni asem, but wa won ka nokra ye be ka kiro. So it's not attack on the Christianity, a attack on obi oye nipa boni ni, start ye, edi niyema boni nsema no keka na nya papa, ene ye to aba wie ya. Adentina many Duncan-Williams will become. At the end of start here. 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 1 month ago, Asamben Wakakoka. Or say, President Mahama, now it is a joke for anybody to use 4 years to develop this country. It is a joke. A dear meeting now cost war. And now I'm before Mubehu. Mumisan say. Meeting ben no okoya oni panyin kase pa e wo Ghana ha panyini pa ekoya onu Duncan-Williams eni panyini no yusu one car and de course meeting mu misa no and people for mu misa no na mo no mo ye nkra mo ye hu mu sa mo ye nkra because ne akoso bia no madam nim na china na mobaya mobo ne akwaso bia moda mo misa ne se meeting ben ne koya oni panyini mu pa wo mo kwasa meeting no the whole Ghana yenhwe pastors dodo the traditional churches Anglican, Pentecost, Baptist Church, Presbyterian, Methodist, many of them, and sana waba ayi ankra churches, one man churches or muati, our multimedia bob bradia some or more communities. At the adinko phone kwa yemfani nyina nka ho. So many pastors. Omo sa meeting no 25 pastors and ministers of God and almost select you across the nation. All kon on this happening pano or mutana bakum. Duncan-Williams. Mumisano, and somewhere in I may talk on so. Nam people for Madame Mobile Mobo Chrome has say. And Munima Mumisa. Oh, my predecessors prior to 2020. Dear Meka Ebesi and 2024. Your committee, dear me predicting and on that tour. because ye can't move say ye di agro. That be as well better ne yet to. Some day me the abrow. Unti unya one more. Me kwa bobo si amama ye. I will not do it. Me the bro, but untu one mana. So be it wasama. Me da my from there. Wamu kwa sa meeting no. Oni panyin pa no. Asofofo no 25. Enti se obu akonta. Ono ka ho 26. Oni panyin ni pe. Ene bae. Panyin pa na me ka no oko no police. Security bi anka ho. Mumia no nam ne driver na tena car no mam ko hia sa pastors no. Selected. Agenda no ye simple. Say panyin pa no aba enti yamwa no onko biem.
Continue.
Because ye adwuma. Enti yamwa no na onsa ne nko biem na 2028 no o serve akokoduru ayi 2032 a na okọ.
Continue.
Because yamwa no na mfie na nwe die ontimi mfa nwe die oye no. Duncan-Williams, we are part and parcel of that meeting. You arrange the meeting to talk about the third term agenda.
Continue.
Hey. We are part and parcel of that meeting. We now arrange here. You invited these pastors to the meeting. The agenda ne say a kwan ben so na mo be use mo pulpit na podium no mo preach here. Mo de be too much sorry man team na akọ. Na manfo hu se ehun be hia se panyin ni sanko ababiem.
Continue.
Enti yen select asofofo bi. Ghana ha asofofo doors wo nso wo frɛ 25 for pay. Because you fi say omo na voice. Nti omo no start sa agenda na. Omo maka na there you describe them so. Say yeah mpanyimfo no ye can small churches in there they will follow because ye kasa ye fana. That was what you said. Continue. In that meeting, say in a meeting, ultimika say, say 25 pastors now mabano, omona Ghana ha omo voice. So omo kandia, say omo free asiye, preach wa solid damu, the third term agenda na dia. Small churches in the omo ye small boys. Omo maka ni nyina they will follow on because ye ni kasa. Christian community no etie yasem. Enti ye free asiye mfantum say third term agenda no. Opanyina ya de nti ye man ntoa so.
Continue.
That was the agenda.
Continue.
Mummy say, I am throwing a challenge on Peja Bible. Me, I am a Presbyterian. Ghana for Mushamuntian ye. Or say obey him spiritually. I think it was a joke. Me jelling spiritually. He said, one am so you know how fancy pa. Fans, pa.
Continue.
Pa. Now confirm so catch us media don't ye mistake. And say, my pamachawa. No, yes, me power chow.
Continue.
Me traha nanumre. Apeja the very Bible no say no krasa wo. Producer mom hwe me table no so say ne kra me dem bag ba me Bible no shem. Oso ye sofo panyina. O ma me ni nsia. Obetima kasa maja Bible atoba ayi ama ja to Bible no mu. Me nso metima kasa ama ja to Bible ba me ni mienu me metima dum me de no ama Bible na ye said no sitie na said ye sit badan can whether you can't do it because unye clean.
Continue.
Say to me wo hodia o ma me ni nsia circle no bia metwa ehun nsia me kita Bible me onu so kita Bible on kasa maja nto Bible me so makasa maja tom na mom ye wi a omunum no ye ba wi na obi Bible ase obi Bible so nsie. Eti no me catch us say fa una ne to babi na me ntra challenge ma say ye no kura pa say na me na kasa no wo ka say obejeli me wo ayi spiritually enye je bia no one say wo kɔ abosom no hɔ a bosom no hɔ a wo kɔ no wo kɔ bosom hɔ because ni nyame tumi bi a wo frɛ ma na ba me so. That is a fact because you are going to call your saint and other spirit emfiri nyame ɛno nso de ba ma nim amegu na nim ase flat because wo frɛ nyame ma ne ntie nti commanding ma wa sɔre ma ne niwuni ma efiri na kono wa sɔre ma ne niwuni say we are so powerful. Because I would tell him spiritually be and say, "Won crofo a would no mu diri no, wo frɛ from mo betima ye bibia na. Baba be catch ro say, akwa no so wogya." So mbaka no kracho because obetua sika ma mbaka say ya wie, omunwie hu. Me catch ro praying. Say, me dia me nyame na ye clean, ba wo dia nya clean. That is a fact. Now who come meeting frɛ 25 pastors here. Now what describe other pastors and say, oh, what the yes, ya and your phrase, yes, ye kasa. The other members of the Christian community, or a small boy, they will start also preaching. Ye kasa, omutie, into ya bahano, ye your voice you organa ha, into yem phrase yem phantom. Say, oh, that bed in a bay year, or come and say a bay year, until 2028, yen son and fan cobium. O Bible no ekita wa wudi preaching no ano peja Bible no Sunday ebai na ka kire wa sore ma say Abronye say you had a meeting with 25 pastors with the agenda to omutim say they should start preaching the third term bid say nipa no betwa so akosi 2032 na Abronye boa enti wo commande this is your Bible peja Bible no fa kire wiem Duncan-Williams, this is a challenge obi antie me ye I am challenging Duncan-Williams say on peja Bible say on pastors 25 NCI amanen country o say woman started term agenda no and preaching kire o ma sore ma no na other churches ne de such I suffer for 25 no woman na one voice oma kai small boys nti no mo kasa e ye fana obia o wa soro wo ba bia no betie so ye mpanfo e won kran no e kasa nti no panyini we akasa di a ene ye mfa na kyese enipa no betuma komiensa peja Bible say you never had that meeting peja Bible kire wiem say such a meeting no enye nokora da ankoso wo ba bia peja Bible kire wiem peja Bible kire wiem say sa sofofo 25 na odo amukọ ya o kaso other churches ne de omo ye small enti omo kasa Ghana ha obi antie ba da omo no tie ne omo ka na omo so de ama omo church members no peja Bible kire wiem na ka kire Nyankopon say after the meeting no one massa sofofo no $10,000 ya na peja Bible for kire wiem
Continue.
That is a challenge. Amede man say peja Bible say asofofo 25 na wo from no so mo mfirase nkasa na o maka no ye small betie no wo describe obi a wate na sori wo describe Pentecost ayi elder a o control the congregation wo baabi wo describe no say wo kasa wo mo no dey small boys individual bia wa bia na sori ma sori na tumpon no wo ko meeting a wo ko hu dollar ntino wo si o samomo frase e kan individual na ono ate na sori a sori na tumpon to say church like ebia kire abosom na sori na ekoso no wo say momo kasa wo mo no de e small nto mbetie you gave them $10,000 wo na jiska na cheye peja Bible kire wiam say meeting one pastors biansia na nya nokora say one sa pastors ni sia ye no after the meeting you gave them $10,000 to preach the third term agenda peja Bible fa kire wiem peja Bible fa kire wiem say one panyini nkonko ye meeting say obetima kona obeboa no ma third term agenda na baso ana peja Bible fa kire wiem na so peja Bible no wia the gods of the tender no be decided between me no. Peja Bible fa kire wiem. Say won tena se ensusu ho say. tetem agenda no wobedi animu ama na bam na onim hawa wobe preachi ama saade na kwaso ana pagya Bible no fatire wiem eti yenye enkura yenye small fish eti hura na obi a me come what you say my true challenge in the amount say in that meeting you share $10,000 a year da prophet Nanjegezi ni buafuo adentra prophet Nanjegezi ni buafuo na more people for masema mobo ebra prophet Nanjegezi buafu ni say what is a Duncan-Williams afrefre some pastors any panyini na kwakoshia so deep or santoa so deep president no beyond 2028 year a year ana ofre pastors any ministers of God binum ana omokoye producers ya go break mara
oyiwa ochiam yenim asemka osenana wasumo se wa wate eye Abronye DC watutu biama ne eye MPP fo yie pa nzemi ye ne de akire de besi akire bia nso yemfa enkame ye netifo ene yahwefo me kai wo sai hi Island Media Ghana